Welcome to the Lovely Ladies Collaboration 2020. On the first of the month, we post to a theme each month using some kind of little ladies stamps or images or whatever. So I tend to use Gorgeous Girls because that's mostly what I have. I have a few others that people had gifted me, but not too many. So anyway, I was going to use two different stamps this month, but I ended up only using this one called Perfect Love, and I used it twice. I made two cards, in other words, and I don't know why this tape is on here. Anyway, yeah, I have it in there crooked, but that's what the stamp looks like. It's number 10. And I don't think I ever used this before. Hang on, this is coming out. There we go. So that is the stamp that I used, and then I used some paper from this My Mind's Eye collection called Meow, which I have had for a while, and I probably got it online because I have puffy stickers like this and some blingy pieces and the chipboard stickers and another pack of stickers. There's another puffy meow and another pack of stickers which has the same images as the chipboard, but they're just regular stickers, and I think there's only one sheet. And then I did use, no, I didn't use those. I used oh gosh, where'd they go? Here they are. I was going to use these, but they were either too small or too big. Too big, I think. I ended up using these Gina Marie Designs. I don't know what they're called, but they have like zigzag stitch on them. And I used the second and third largest, I believe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. So that is what I used. And also I'm trying to, you know, I'm on a mission this year to use up some envelopes and stuff. So I used 2 cards and 2 envelopes out of this Love Nicole, which I probably got from AC Moore online or somewhere online. I don't have it written on there this time. Alright, let me show you what I did. I'll just bring them out. Well, I'll do one at a time. I used the same sheet of paper on both cards. However, I flipped it over to the back. It's double-sided paper for the next card. I used, this is the card base from Love Nicole, and the envelope, and on the envelope I just put a little sticker, and hope that stays on. And then I used a basic black base, which is 6.5 by 4.5, and then this is that right? I think that's right. And then this is, I think, 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. I say it looks bigger than my normal A2 width. So yeah, 4 1/4 wide by 6 1/4 long, and the basic black is 6.5 long by what did I say? By 5. No, 4.5. Let's try this again. 4.5 basic black by 6.5, and then the designer paper is 4 1/4 by 6 1/4. That's what it is, because the card is 5 by 7. Okay, then I used these two. This is Whisper White. This is basic black. They both are cut out using those Gina Marie dies, which I've had in my stash now for a little while too, probably at least a year, maybe more, I don't know. And then I used 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those puffy sticker things. This was a chipboard sticker, but I backed it on a piece of basic black. And then I just put some of Stampin' Up's basic rhinestone jewels on. I put, well, I had 5 on, but I apparently lost, oh no, wait, no, I lost one. I had to put another one on. I don't know where it was, but it'll probably go right here or something. In fact, let's just do that because I will forget. And because you know I like odd numbers, and I'm sure I had another one on there, but I don't know where it is. So we're just gonna pick one up and put one on. I think that's about where it was actually, but maybe the backing wasn't right. I don't know. That's where it's going now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, yeah. And inside I just put basic black, whisper white, and 2 of the regular stickers. It's a little gray and white kitty. I think she's cute. I used, oh, for coloring her in, I used Stampin' Blends. I used basic black for her hair. Just the light basic black, believe it or not. And I also used that for her boots, but I did put some Wink Stella on her boots to make them shiny. The kitty cat is light and dark smoky slate and dark flirty flamingo, as is her hat, light and dark smoky slate and dark flirty flamingo. And her dress is light and dark flirty flamingo. Now on this one I kind of goofed. I thought these were just long sleeves, and then I looked at this and it turns out those are her arms with, I guess, gloves, but she has sleeves on this dress. Yeah. And I just left her little stockings white and used dark mango, dark mango melody for the little stars. And her skin tones are light and dark petal pink. They're like one of my favorites for skin tone. Yeah. And let's see, then the other one is very similar, except that the back of this paper is actually black and white stripes. So I moved it to off-center it, and I was going to put the cat down here, and then I didn't like it there because I already had this there, so I put them off to one side, and then I just put some heart and a puffy sticker there. This is a chipboard piece. This is a chipboard piece. This says cat lady. Oh, and I did put a puffy sticker with a pink cat on the hole in that. And I used 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 rhinestones there, so those are still okay. Colored the same way, except that this time I did make her have arms showing instead of assuming they were sleeves. Yeah, that's really the only difference. I did the same Wink Stella on her boots. I don't know if you can see it a little bit. Yeah, that's about it. So let's see, did I miss any colors? I don't think so. And then inside I did the same thing, only a black kitty cat in that one, a gray one in this one, hearts above. They're all from the stickers. And then on the envelope for this one, I think I did the same thing. Yeah, I had 2 different pink kitties. So those are my cards for pets / animals, and I think they could be imaginary pets, if I remember correctly, but I use sort of her real pet. I'm a cat person, you know. I have my little black Callie cat who doesn't have pink on her much except for her paws and her little nose, her cute little nose. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed it. Please go check out the others in the collab listed down below. And we will see you next month on the 1st of the month. Talk to you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.